We have a 2-story house with a walkout basement, making it 3 stories high in some places. So we were super excited that Miko sent us this telescoping extension for the pressure washer. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was immediately impressed with how sturdy it was when we were using it. It extends up to 18 feet, which is super helpful when trying to get to the 2nd story. Before we got it, I wasn't sure of how sturdy that would be, but there are various clamps on it that lock into place and unlock also and make it easy and simple to adjust even in the middle of a job. They also have little markings on it that tell you not to go past that distance, so it helps with the stability of it. It's actually fairly lightweight for how large it is. My husband has a collarbone injury, but he was still able to use this to pressure wash the side of the house. We also used it with a gutter attachment that we bought separately to clean out the gutters, and it made that job so much easier. The telescoping feature also makes it really easy to store when you're done with it, since it condenses down to only 6.5 feet. Now that we've used it, this is a tool that I would not want to be without. We really loved it.